Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Lbank. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Lbank is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that was co-founded by Alan Wei and Eric Hay in 2018. This exchange offers hundreds of crypto pairs, from DeFi, GameFi, many other altcoins, and stablecoins, and can be used for trading spot markets, futures, and derivatives. The Lbank Bonus Center offers rewards for completing tasks, and you can enter trading competitions to stand a chance to win free crypto. Currently, there are high-value prize pools for HAM and FND tokens. Lbank also offers flexible staking programs and an academy with plenty of educational resources, which is why we recommend this exchange to beginners. Lbank is a popular exchange for derivatives, futures, and spot markets. This exchange offers more than 480 crypto pairs from GameFi and DeFi, as well as dozens of NFTs, stablecoins, Polkadot tokens, and other altcoins. Once you have opened an account, you can either buy crypto using the Lbank mobile application or by clicking on the Markets tab if you'll be using the web exchange. You can also click on the Trade tab to access the spot markets and grid trading strategies. Or click on Derivatives to trade ETFs and derivatives instruments. You will also be able to view live price updates directly from the homepage. The Lbank Academy is a great place to start if you are new to crypto trading. Here you will find beginner-friendly guides on NFTs, decentralized autonomous organizations, the metaverse, safety and security measures you can take when trading, earning passive income through staking, and so much more. There are also several intermediate-level guides that you can find by topic, as well as beginner tutorials and articles written by expert analysts. To access the Academy, click on the icon menu and select the Lbank Academy from the drop-down menu. Apollo is Lbank's special marketplace where you can buy tokens from trending and upcoming crypto projects as well as protocols. This marketplace offers tokens from protocols such as Solana, Chainlink, Polkadot, and dozens of others. With Lbank Earn, you can access flexible staking and token locking programs. You can either deposit and withdraw tokens at any time, or lock them in pools for a fixed period to get higher returns. Some of the staking pools you can join include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance, and many others. Lbank offers a wide range of staking pools for dozens of tokens, and we highly recommend staking on this exchange if you have any idle tokens. To join a staking pool or lock your tokens, simply click on the Earn tab and choose either the flexible option or the locked option, and then click on Join Now once you have chosen a pool. You can also buy rare NFTs from the Lbank exchange, and if you're an artist, you can easily upload your work to Lbank and sell your NFTs on their exchange. To browse the NFT marketplace, click on the Earn tab and select NFT from the drop-down menu. This exchange also has a venture capital arm known as Lbank Labs, which means that promising projects stand a chance of getting investment support and guidance directly from Lbank. The portfolio currently includes projects from Polkadot, Solana, VeChain, Avalanche, the Near protocol, and several others. The Lbank incubation team collectively has more than 50 years of industry experience, so if you're working on a new project, we highly recommend submitting it to Lbank. To learn more about Lbank Labs, click on the menu icon and select Lbank Labs. If you like getting things for free, you can earn crypto from the Lbank Bonus Center by simply completing tasks and getting rewarded for doing so. The tasks you would need to complete range from trading a specified amount on spot markets, staking tokens, buying crypto using your credit card, or opening a futures account. You can also earn free crypto if you create 3 trading strategies. To earn your share, head over to the rewards section by clicking on the Bonus Center tab. With Lbank Exchange, you can buy crypto by using your credit or debit card, and most fiat currencies are accepted. You will be able to use MoonPay, Simplex, Banksa, Mercurio, Transac, or Advanced Cash if you are using a card. You can also buy and sell crypto directly on the peer-to-peer exchange, and Lbank offers one-click payments where you can instantly buy crypto directly from the exchange. To buy crypto from Lbank, click on the Buy Crypto tab and select a payment method from the drop-down menu. You can easily create an account with Lbank in a few easy steps. Firstly, launch the Lbank homepage and then click on the Sign Up button. Submit your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Then, verify your email address and your account and submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Lbank does not currently offer a proprietary wallet. However, we recommend transferring your assets to one of these third-party wallets instead. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a fantastic option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. Simply create an account and then link your wallet address to your Lbank account. Once your account has been opened and you have chosen your preferred wallet, all you will need to do next is fund it and buy some crypto. If you have any questions about managing your account, buying crypto, or anything else, you can contact the Lbank support team 24 hours a day via live chat. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to view answers to some of the most commonly asked questions, and you can read through the user guides provided. So what do we like about Lbank? Lbank is one of the most trusted crypto exchanges globally. This exchange has been around for many years and offers hundreds of crypto and altcoin pairs from popular blockchain projects and protocols. By opening an account with Lbank, not only will you have access to bonus offers, high-quality educational resources, and plenty of cryptocurrencies, but you will also be able to stake your tokens and earn more through the Lbank Rewards program. If you are interested, be sure to open your account today and start building your crypto portfolio with Lbank. And that is our overview of Lbank. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.